он там как-то подозрительно начал жевать. Алпака. I never see the same one. Because the first time when I see this alpaca. Alpaca, yes?
Llama.
Кто?
Llama.
Лама. Не послышалось, она какая-то бама.
What? He thought you said Obama. What? No.
That looks like Obama over there.
Искупался Мишка, пошел. Бороться сейчас будет. Wrestling.
Wrestling. Don't eat him. He was holding his foot.
Туше сейчас будет.
Like brothers or sisters.
Эй, stand-up.
Whoa, look at that. European brown bear. Large, powerful animals with long, dense fur coats that can range in color from dark brown to blonde. They reach an average length of 5 to 6 feet and weigh 330 to 600 pounds. Wow. Active mostly at night.
The big one's like...
Вон ты какой здоровый, да?
He's looking at you like good dinner.
Мишка.
What's donkey in Russia?
Осел.
Hi, Asol. Привет! Гони ночи. Гони ночи. It's not like this. Oh, no wonder. Keep pushing it. Like, keep going. Keep going. I know. I want this to drink.
I don't think you want to drink it. They recycle.
Ew! Wait, are you serious? It goes down here?
Down there.
Oh, yeah.
Такие вот цены в зоопарк.
Привет! Папа!
Скатались они, да, сегодня? Вау.
Гости друг к другу ездят. По воскресеньям.
That does not look like a real bird.
А вот сейчас мы зашли в магазин. Приют для попугаев. Выбросили попугаев. Вот этот приют мы приехали. Вот такие вот, кстати, красивые попугайчики.
Hi. Hi, Gabi.
Hello. Ой, красавец. Да. Hello, да. Да. Hello. Здорово, приятель. Здорово.
Say goodbye and then she'll do her dance.
Девочка, да?
О, блин.
Блин.
Say goodbye and then she'll do her dance.
Девочка. Блин, интересно.
Okay, maybe I don't like her. Wait, she's trying to bite you?
Yeah, she beat me.
Bye bye. Bye bye. You're aggressive. Bye. You're aggressive.
Okay, leave
Bye
her.
bye.
Come on, let's
Bye
go.
bye. Bye bye bye. Hi, Gabby.
Are you pretty good? Would you like to step up? Yeah. Step up. Go ahead, step up. Go ahead. Good girl. Good girl. Say hello. Hello. Kisses. Thank you. Pretty girl. Pretty girl. You're not going to talk because they're sitting here looking at you, right?
How many words she can say?
She says, hello, pretty girl, how are you? You heard her, shut up. She says, good morning. She says, I want out. And I haven't had her very long, so I'm not 100% sure what all she says.
How long do you have?
I've only had her for about 3 weeks. Pretty girl.
Hi.
Haha.
Hi. Who's a pretty girl? Hi. Hello. Are you
Which arm do you
spying that? Are you spying?
Step up. No, wrong. Oh, that's not. No. No. No.
That's okay.
No. What was that for? Jack. Jack. You were supposed to go over there. Thank you. Pretty girl.